Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect this to my mom's phone. Alright, let me see. First I have to turn it off. Oh crap. Wait, see something? Alright, now I turn it off. Alright, I'm going to get my mom's phone. I'm going to play Walk It Like I Talk It. Wait, alright. Wait, hold up. Where's the thing at? Alright, then you go to settings. Then you go to Bluetooth. And then, wait, turn it on. Then you press search. Alright, there you go. Now it's connected. Alright. So now I'm gonna play some music. Alright, watch this, watch this. Alright, the thing's on. Alright. See? It's a thing. So yeah. That's how you connect a Bluetooth fidget spinner to a phone. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. Bye. I like to walk around with my chain loose. She just bought a new ass but got the same boobs.